Hello, my friends! I just received my October 2013 Birchbox in the mail, and I like to share what I got with you. I had a great time making my previous or my first Birchbox open box video, so I like to do another one for this month. Before I open this box, I just want to share with you of what are other Birchbox products that I'm using this month. This is the first one. It's a brightening cleanser. I don't really remember this is which Birchbox this item is coming from, but my review is it's not foamy. This cleanser, it doesn't have any strong smell. It cleans my face pretty well, and no irritation or anything like that. So far so good. I do enjoy using this. Will I buy a full size of this product? I'm not sure, and also I don't remember. I don't know exactly how much the full size of it would be, but I don't think I will purchase the the full size item. All right, the next product is eye cream. Okay, I've been using this for I think almost a month, and I still have quite a lot left. It's non-greasy, it doesn't have strong smell, and what else I can say? I use this at nighttime after I wash my face, and I don't see any changes or anything of my face. I don't really have that much wrinkles, but I think, I guess it's a good product in terms of no irritation. When I apply on the skin, it's quite smooth. Anyway, all right. So these are the two items I'm using at this moment. Now let's open up my October 2013 Birchbox. It says Beauty Buzz and blah 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 blah. Right. Okay, let's see what this is. It's oh wow, microdermabrasion. Ooh, I like that. I like something like this. Microdermabrasion I guess it can give my skin some nice nice exfoliation. I don't know. I'm interested in this. I'm interested in most of skincare products rather than cosmetics, so I'm happy to have this. Next one seems like a chopstick. A chopstick, 8-hour moisture, hydration lock. All right. Okay, I will give this a try. And a card. Okay, what's inside of this box? If I can open it. All right, let's see. Seems like another skincare product to me. It's sunscreen serum. Interesting. Nice small size sunscreen. It's always good to have. I can just throw in one of my bag, and yeah, nice. Another lip product. What is this? I think it's a lip product, right? I don't know. I will have to try this to see if I like it, but not so crazy about lip product. Let me just see how. Oh, lip gloss. Smells okay. And I think this is the last one. It's a little perfume. I love perfume. What it says here? Cologne. Orange. Interesting. Interesting. There you go. That's it. That's my October Birchbox. Hope you like it. Any comments, please leave down below. And I see you next time. Goodbye.